Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. All you need to do is hold your search bar and wait for the pop-up to show. When it does, select Remove on the right and wait. So when I do that, as you can see, my search bar was successfully removed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!